Integrating Webull with TradingView is a straightforward process that allows you to connect your trading account to a powerful charting and analysis platform. To start, you need to have a Webull account and a TradingView account. If you don't have one, create them first. First, log into your TradingView account and navigate to the paper trading or brokerage section. Click on the Connect Broker button and search for Webull. Select Webull from the list of available brokers and you will be redirected to the Webull website. On the Webull website, you will be prompted to log into your account. Enter your credentials and authorize TradingView to access your account. This will create a secure connection between your Webull account and TradingView. Once connected, you can start using TradingView to analyze and trade your Webull account. You can access real-time data, use technical indicators, and set up custom alerts. You can also use TradingView to execute trades directly from the platform. To execute trades, navigate to the trading panel on TradingView and select Webull as your broker. You can then enter your trade details, including the symbol, quantity, and order type. TradingView will send the trade to Webull, where it will be executed. It is essential to note that you should only use this integration for trading purposes, and you should always review your trades before executing them. Additionally, make sure to check the fees associated with trading on Webull through TradingView, as they may differ from trading directly on the Webull platform. In conclusion, integrating Webull with TradingView is a simple process that can enhance your trading experience. By following these steps, you can connect your Webull account to TradingView and start using the platform to analyze and trade your account. Remember to always use this integration responsibly and review your trades before executing them.